The first letter of the Yoruba alphabet is A. Here are some words that start with A. Aja, dog. Ajay, wealth. Ajay is witch. Asho, clothes or clothes. Ada, cutlass. Aye, world. Adun, sweetener. So after A is B. Baba, father. Balue is bathroom. Binu, angry. Bata, shoe. Abidi, dide, stand. Duro is wait or stand. Abidi, ẹyin, teeth, èdè, language, èdè, shrimp, egun, bone, èso, fruit. Abidi, ẹnu, mouth, ẹlẹ́dẹ̀, pig, ẹja, fish, ẹjọ́, talk, ẹmu, palm wine, ẹ̀rín, laughter, ẹṣin, horse. So those are the alphabet A, B, D, A, E,